kilogram of gold for 5 kilograms of sugar, a fair price in Europe at the beginning of the 17th century. Sugar was an exotic luxury article imported from overseas, a miracle drug and a cure-all at the same time. Sugar powder was taken to heal eyes, sugar smoke to cure colds, and sugar flour to heal wounds. And of course, sugar was eaten as a candy. Just like crude oil nowadays, sugar used to make the world go round. Slavery and colonialism, conquest, theft and warfare all paved the path in the quest for the sweet gold. We can thank the scientists Mark Graf and Achard and the support of Frederick the Great and Napoleon for the fact that we now produce sugar from domestic sugar beets. Today, sugar beet production has become an integral element of European agriculture, and Beta Technologies will support its future success. Very laborious and hard on the back. Sugar beet hand weeding. This used to be the standard method of weed control. In 1968, Betanal revolutionized sugar beet production, the first reliable post-emergence herbicide that could be used in any phase of the cultivated plant. Betanal becomes the standard product for use in sugar beet production. Another decisive innovation, 1990 Betanal Progress, the first intelligent co-formulation of the 3 most important active substances in sugar beets, leads to a significant simplification of weed control. There is clearly a wider range of weed types to be controlled, and the combination of active substances leads to an improved herbicidal effect and a clear reduction in the amount used per hectare. Beta Technologies continues this line of innovations. In 1968, the average sugar yield in Western Europe was slightly below 7 tons per hectare. This figure has now risen to 10.5 tons in Germany and 12.7 tons in France. An increase in yield of 50% and more, made possible not exclusively but mainly through state-of-the-art weed management. Due to the slow development during their vegetation period, sugar beets are particularly susceptible to weeds. An increased weed population leads to a significantly reduced yield. The contribution margin per hectare for sugar beets is clearly higher than for other cultivations. Optimization is therefore particularly worthwhile. For growers, state-of-the-art weed management is thus an attractive investment, even to exploit the final percentage points to reach optimum production. Beta Technologies is the reliable partner in your success. Nobody denies that our environment is a valuable asset. It is our responsibility to preserve it. Even if political decisions and obligations will only take effect in several years, our products, including those already established on the markets, meet tomorrow's environmental requirements today. Constituents such as alkyl phenols and isophorone have already been replaced by equivalent substitute substances. In this way, our customers can make use of proven products while at the same time being able to ensure the increasingly relevant environmental compatibility. Beta Technologies accepts the responsibility for our environment. Innovation is the result of targeted research and, admittedly, sometimes also luck. However, visions must be thought out and research goals defined. How does the active substance get into the sugar beet directly, quickly, and without loss or crystallization? In this field of formulation using AMD technology, Beta Technologies has entered absolutely new territory. and the fine adjustment of active substances and carrier fluids offers more opportunities for the future. Another area of research is Safener technology, which has already become a reality for some crops. A herbicide with an extraordinary and reliable effectiveness, while the crop is protected by a so-called Safener. To transfer this technology to sugar beet production, that is a vision. Whether it will ever be used in sugar beet production is undecided. But we are searching, we are researching, we are working. Beta Technologies turns vision into reality. A global player such as Bayer, with its core competencies in the areas of polymers, chemistry, health and nutrition, offers an enormous amount of resources, expertise and know-how. Experts from the most varied disciplines and nationalities, specialists and generalists are working together in a global network. Different ways of thinking, different approaches and different working methods uncover new paths. Big enough to think small. Weed management in sugar beet production is an expert area in which Bayer Crop Science is one of the few companies currently doing active research to discover new active substances in sugar beets. Beta Technologies makes use of the resources of a global player. Our worldwide network in the area of testing provides our partners directly and quickly with results and analyses. Customer-oriented solutions, proven in practice and always up to date. Exchanging experiences. Providing access to know-how. Offering a platform. Beta Technologies pools know-how relevant in sugar beet production. In our seminars, with our publications on the internet. Bayer Crop Science seeks the dialogue and offers a platform for this expert area. Beta Technologies ensures competent communication with our customers around the world. Beta Technologies. Competence in beets and weeds.